Meaning of emanate.
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 Emanate. Emanate means to originate or come from a particular source, often used to describe abstract things like ideas or principles, as well as physical objects like light or sound. When something emanates, it flows outwards from the source in a continuous manner, spreading and radiating in all directions. The result of emanation can be seen in the way that the surrounding area is affected by the presence of the source, such as the way that a scent emanates from a flower or the way that a particular mood emanates from a person's demeanor.